Hello guys, we're back to more videos. Today we are fun of the grand. Guys, I played Scared 3D in October 4 and October 5. I was fun of her, but so guys, I wanna fun of Granny. So this start, but of course, here's Granny for over there. So we need easy mode for that. Yell at me if you want, guys. So the music will be perfect and good, and also the copyright is good. Let's try again. Okay, guys. So I made Mobid's mod by Eldrin Rose, but I'm going to keep talking and talking. If you game, those not run. Also, hey, try slower, quickly setting. So guys, I'm going to be easy mode. So guys, let's get started, guys. So let's go. Good luck. So guys, I made in new videos. So guys, we have to fun of her, okay? I made fun of her mistake. Probably is a new version. Okay, here he is, guys. The Granny. Okay, Granny. Let's go. Oh my god, I made. Oh my god. Oh, Grandma. Grandma. Do not see me. You can't see. Yes, special key. It's a special key. Grandma, just kill me. Just kill me. Just kill me. Oh my god, Grandma! Oh, wait, a special key. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. She is so slow, but I tried to easy. Grandma, you can't. No, Grandma, stop it. Grandma, guys, I'm gonna make a new video. Grandma, oh Grandma, Grandma, you have a crush on Nick. This music is creepy. This music is freaking me out. No, bruh. I forgot to push the mannequin. Mannequin. No. Can I, Yes, I did. Oh, Mamma Mia. No, Mamma Mia. No. Push the mannequin. You like mannequin? Oh my god. Haha. I pushed the mannequin. Oh. What the heck is going on, Grandma? Can I pick it up? Grandma, you can't kill me. Oh. Can't. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck, man? What the? Ooh. What the heck? The music is freaking me out. Just kill me already. Just kill me already. Come on, Grandma. You can do it. You can do. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Jesus! Jesus Christ! Oh, Jesus Christ! This is for my prayer. Yo, Grandma! Grandma! Oh, what's that? No. I don't want it. You mamas. You! Oh! Yo! Oh! I scared myself. Come on! Bruh, the chair is still freaking me out. Just let me pass. Oh my god! This Grandma. You can't. No, 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 no. Bruh. Grandma. Oh, oh, oh. No, Grandma. Oh my god. Bro, Grandma. I was trying to get the spider key, Grandma. Are you kidding me? I was in Mobbins. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Okay. Why does Granny just a noob? Bruh. Okay. Grandma just killed me. We're at day 2. So we need to survive in accident. Also, I play GF for a while. Okay. Where should we go? Oh, there he is. Special key. How about we, just... and like this. Oh, special idea. So Granny will not cheat. Okay. So we wait until the Granny will just smash the plank. I guess I was playing GF. A piece of a painting. Come on, Grandma. Come on, Grandma. You're cheater. Yes. Bro, Grandma. You know what? Grandma. You're cheating. You should never just block the. You should never just push the mannequin. Are you kidding me? You know what? I'm going to use Barry. Grandma. Grandma, you cheater. Oh my god. Grandma, you cheater. Oh my god. Mama! Mama! Mama Mia. Don't kill me. I hate this. No! Just close the door! Oh my god, they will freak me out. You stupid! Yes! Let's go to escape the granny. So guys, subscribe. Also, I saw Bernard playing granny. Grandma! Yo, Grandma! Yo, Grandma, you stupid! Ah! Oh my god. Grandma! Oh, Mama Neo! Mom, Grandma! I'm not checking it. Grandma, just kill me. Oh! You suck! You look like a PE! Oh! Grandma! Grandma, chill! Grandma, I got the... Oh my god! I accidentally died for it! Grandma! You forgot. You're so beautiful and ugly. Please, don't kill me. Please. Don't kill me. No. 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 Stupid Grandma. Ah. 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 Grandma's house. I don't want to stay. I just want to go home. I don't want to get Grandma. You're still annoying. Grandma's house. Grandma's house. I don't want to stay. I just want to go home. I don't want to be a grandma's house. You, no. Grandma, see me. Grandma. Ah! You saved me! I hate you. Let's go there. Bruh. Bruh, I'm trapped. Oh my god. This freaking me out. You freaking me out. Grandma. Grandma. You freaking me out. Oh, smack my ass. Smack my ass. Oh my god. We need to survive For a week. Stupid grandma. I need to escape. Haha, grandma. You're so ugly. Grandma, kill me. Grandma, kill me. What's that? Is that a microwave? For my... Oh! Another piece of shotgun. Grandma! Grandma! Just kill me. Just kill me now. Kill me! Oh, Mamma Mia! Mamma Mia! No, Mamma Mia! Mamma Mia! Oh my god. Oh! Oh, okay. Mamma Mia! I'm gonna see you again. What's that? Is that... Can I go? No. But no. You can kill me. Because I am pro. You can kill me. You can't 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 kill me. Na, 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 na. Oh, you can't kill me. Na, na, na. Oh, okay. You can't kill me. You can't kill me. Please, come on. I hate this. I hate it. Stupid idea. I need it. Oh my god. I need a piece of this shot. Also, I need oh, a car. This for my son did just ride a car for a couple years. What the heck? What the heck, man? Can I place it? Yes, I can. Grandma, just kill me. I hate you. Wala. Oh! Oh! Smack my ass. Okay. I need to escape Granny's house, but I can't. How do I escape? We need to escape. Grandma. Your grandma. You are copper. You're so copper. Please. Oh. Grandma. No. Grandma. Whoa! Grandma. Grandma, please. Grandma. Please. Grandma. Grandma, please. I'm going to fart. Grandma. Oh! Give me that. Give me that. This for my last for my shotgun. Ah. Grandma. You. Ah! Oh! You scared me. Now, Grandma. Grandma, you gonna get juke. Oh! You gonna get juke, Grandma. Oh my god. You look like a big deal and awesome. No! Help me! Help me! Grandma. Grandma, so Wednesday. Ah! Let's do it there. I don't want to stay. I don't want to go home. I want to be gone. So I want to stay. Let's go there. And it's ooh, yes! You gotta get juke. You gotta get juke. Oh my god. I hate this. Bro. Just please. Please, I wanna escape. Wait. Please, I wanna escape. Okay, there's a remote. Not. go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, 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 yes! Another piece of the shotgun! Please hurry! Please hurry. I hate this. There's my chance. Please, Grandma! Grandma! Grandma, you so suck! Grandma! Grandma, please! You're so scaring me. Ah! You, Grandma! You scared me like this! Bruh. Prove it, Grandma! Grandma, prove it! You scared me! I didn't see you right there, Grandma! Oh my god, we're at day 3. I forgot. I forgot to shut Grandma. I'm scared. So we need to do it again. Ooh. Yes. Ooh! Scared me. No, no, no. Bruh. Granny just killed me like a crazy person. Okay, Grandma. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, Grandma. I'll be hard mode. Grandma! What are you waiting for? Yes, Grandma, you can't kill me. That's it. What's up? What's it? I'm finna send him out to the money. I'm finna come back. Oh! No! Oh! No! No! Please, get out of my way! Grandma, you can't kill me. You can't kill me now, Grandma. You're not gonna play me hiding seek. Do not gonna play me hiding seek because of you. You ruined my day evermore. Because of you, you kill me like a crazy person. I'm going to beat you. Where are you, Grandma? Grandma, kill me. Grandma, kill me. Grandma. Grandma. Ooh. Grandma, kill me. No. Grandma, kill me. I'm going to special for you. It's a ultra mega. Wait. Grandma, just kill me. Grandma, do you see this? It's an ultra gun. It's ultra gun. Let's see this. Where'd it go? Yes, I shot Grandma for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, Grandma, you suck. I don't care. You scared me. We need to beat Grandma's house. I need to escape for they will just respawn soon. Bro, I can't. Bro. Grandma. Grandma. No. Let's try again. Okay. Grandma's house, I don't wanna stay. I just wanna go home, I don't wanna be Granny's house. Oh, like this? Please, Grandma. Grandma, you can kill me. Grandma. Bruh. What the heck? Where did my gun go? Grandma. So guys, thank you for watching, but we're at 20. Okay. Grandma. Bro. Let's repause it, guys. How about let's try practice mode, guys. But let's try practice mode. So this one is easy. So we need to beat the granny. Oh, well, wait. This is my special friend. We should just, wait, guys, this way. We should keep this, but let's try again. Oh, like this. Oh, Gamma. So, I'm scared, but that's okay. We need to escape. No grandma, okay. Grandma. You scared me. Your grandma. You can't kill me now. See, there's no grandma. That's okay. Bro, you scared me. What the heck? Okay. We need to escape. We need to escape the grandmas. Oh, what the heck? Did they glitch? Okay, let's go. Can we put this? Okay, let's go. We need to beat how to beat Granny. But there's no Granny. Grandma. Ah, okay. Grandma. Grandma, don't kill me. Yes, the melon. Found the melon. Yes, I found the melon. Even though I scared myself. Yes, oh, like this? Wow, okay. 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 Granny one. We need to beat Granny one. So where is it? Where is the I should trust? Where is it? Yes, piece of the shotgun. Yes, piece of the shotgun. Why I am so tall? Why? How am I so tall? Am I the teenager? I am a teenager. What's that? Is that a teenager? Bro, I'm teenager now. A teenager knows I know to beat Granny. So yeah, me, bro. This stupid thing again. So guys, bro, I need why I am so tall? Because it's 1.8. We're at version 1.8. Wait, can I use? I need to get the doors. Okay, we need to get doors. Let's use it. Let's do like this. Oh, I'm a genius. I know how to do this. I should spray. Yes, spray. Hey, look at it here. You man. Young man. Okay. Also, we need to beat Granny for a very long time. How about we make 1 hour, guys? I need to toothbrush, but that's okay. let's. Yes, I need to final escape. We need to escape Granny. So we need to make part 2. So guys, we need to make part 2 for this game. Called Gef. No, it's Granny. Gef is all Granny. How to Gef? Maybe it's all of them. I don't know. Maybe it's 40 or 50. I don't know. Get out of here. Oh, you scared me. Let's do like this and let's go. The music is good, so it kind of freaked me out. Give me the good thing. Okay, bro. Thank you, bro. I need it, bro. Oh my God, there's someone there. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh my God, I hate this. Please, just oh my God, they keep on lagging. Oh my God. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go to the how to just make a car. Oh my God. Really? I know. No. Okay, let's go. They're gonna freak me out. Bro, it's so laggy. We need to just, oh my God. Oh, what the heck? Can I? Okay. Okay, guys. That was a good idea. Wait. Piece of the shotgun. What the heck? Did it glitch? Oh my God. What is that? Oh my God. What the heck? Piece of the painting. Bro, I'm stuck. Oh my God. What the heck? Then where is it? Oh. See, there's no grandma. We need to escape. How to manage to escape? Alright, let's go. Just get it. Yes. 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 Get out of my Get out of my way, grandmas. Dora. Dora. Okay, grandmas. Oh my God. Oh my God. Granny 1. Granny 2. Granny 3. Granny 4. Okay. 1. Spark plug. Plug. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I need a spark plug. I need a spark. How do I? Bruh, I need to escape the car. Yes! Car key. You should escape! Yes. We need to. Okay, what the heck? Okay. 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 Who's oh! Okay. Yes, weapon key. Yes, sir. Yes. Bruh, I can't even control my function. Bruh, okay. We need a special key. Then I'm going to go here and also. Okay, then I no. Okay, let's go. So, bro, what happened? Get out here, lamp. Yep. Okay, let's go. Yes. Let's go. Let's go. We need to escape the grandma's house. The granny's house. Yes, we need to escape the cars. Yes, we did it, guys. What the heck is not that noise? So we need to there. Yes. For the safety. Okay. I found the key. We need to escape the cars. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, what's that? Oh, we should break it. Okay. Like this. Like this. Look. I will be back soon. I will grandma. We need to. But I need. I need a spider key. So we need a spider key. Then where's the spider key? Yeah. And also, bruh, I hate it. Spider key goes there. Oh, 2, 3, 5. Need to go. Okay. Bruh, I need a weapon key. Weapon. Crossbar. I need a crossbar. That was a score. Okay. I don't know. Okay. We need to beat grandmas. So we need to be careful. Like this. I can't. What I can't. Bruh, I just beat grandma. So because of you. Bruh. Okay. What's that noise? Okay, we need a crossbar. Like this. Okay. Crossbar. Let's do like this. Granny will not go home. So she was stuck in. We need to do it again first. We need to do it again first. Not messing up. Messed up. Come on. Yes. Bird seed. Okay. We finally beat grandma. We're gonna beat grandma. Yes. Come on, grandma. Put the mannequin and go. Go. Open. Let's go. Okay. Let's go there. Supposed to be escape grandma. 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 What the? Don't need it. Bro, I don't need it. How do I need it? No. Bro. Oh. Bro, I need a book. Okay. We need a book. Bro, I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck in place. I'm stuck in place. Forgot. Oh my god. I forgot the book. How do we find the book? Okay, let's find the book. Yes, I found the book. I found the book. We can chance to escape. Yes. Let's go. Let's beat grandma. Bro, wait. I forgot. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. You dead. Let's push you. Guys, let's push it. Let's push her. Let's push her. Guys, she is 102. Ano, she was passed out in 900. She was passed out. Look, she is 101, 102 years old because she was passed out for our years. Bruh, my hand hurts. Bruh, can't even tell. Let's push harder. My arm, my elbow hurts. Let's push harder. Oppa. Okay, let's go. Push her up. Push. Bro, I need to close the door. Close the door. And also, let's push her like this. I'm sorry. I was passed out for years. Get out here. I'm sorry. Oh, real. Oh, real. See? Oh, another painting. Another painting. Okay. We need to wait until... What the heck? Bro, I don't need a sewer. Get out here. Bro. Bruh. Yes. Is that a gold? Is that a gold? For my grandma. What the heck? Okay, we need a code. Yes. Yes. We need code for this. Code. This. Bro, I need a padlock key. A padlock key. Yes, a spark plug. Yes. We finally escaped Granny. We need... All we need... All we need to do... Spark plug. And also... Where is the... Then where's the... Bruh. Did I lost it? Okay. I lost it. So we need... Oh! What the heck? Did you just drop it? What the? So weird. Okay, we need... Okay. Bruh. I don't know what that means. Okay. What the heck? Where is it? Then where's the Anna? Bruh. I can't find it. Sorry, I don't have that chance. Don't have time chance. We need to go there. I need the padlock key to escape. Okay. Please. What's that? No. Okay. Oh no, it's scary. Scary, right? Okay. Oh! No. Grandma. No, go. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's go. You can't see me. No. Let's go. Finally, bruh. Okay. Hey. You can't. Hey. Chase me. Then where is it? Hey. Where are you? Oh. Okay. Let's go. I have to escape, but I can't. I'm scared. Yes, another piece of the shotgun. Yes. Another piece of the shotgun. Okay. Oh, okay. Then where's the ano? Good. I need the padlock key. So I don't have padlock key, so I must just to get that. I don't have a hammer, so I don't have choice. Bro, where's it? Bruh, crossbar. Oh, crossbar, okay. Crossbar. Four. Go. Let's go to beat grandma's. Okay, they was keeping dropping things, and also I'm a bit scared, and the granny will show up. I wonder where is it? Wait, let's see the sewers. The sewers will be there, the swamp. The swamp there. So guys, I'm going to go there. Let's see. And also, what the heck? What the heck? Can I can't shoot. I can't shoot. Bruh. Wait, I should shoot properly. Like this. Like this, it should do like this. But like this. Yes! I do like this, right? Yes. It's just a meat. I don't want a meat. I found it, but I can't. Even though it's nighttime, but it's still working. What the heck? I'm freezing myself. Bro, I can't move. Bro, I can't move. What the heck? What the heck happened? Oh. Oh. Not again. Oh my god. I'm stuck. Freeze trap. Freeze trap. No. Come on. Let's freeze. Drop you. Haha. Okay, girl. I can't find it. So I can't. I can't find anything. What? What the heck? What the heck happened? I can't find it. Okay, let's go. What's this thing? Is that teddy bear? I don't want it. I want it. Now I can't find everything. Maybe it's in here. No. Guys, can't find it, guys. So I need to end up there, but I need a hammer. Also, guys, thank you for watching for the new video, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye.